so this is not going to be an exhaustive install video showing you step by step how to get it installed. I'm gonna get everything unboxed for you, show you what comes in the box. I'll probably do a time lapse of the installation process, and I'll cut in whenever I feel like I need to cut in. But like I said, I'm not gonna do a full install video. There is plenty of options for that on YouTube. Just search your machine in SSV Works, I'm sure it'll pop up. So with that said, let's jump into the box and see what's in it. All right, as you can see, this sucker came from Oxnard, California. SSV Works is an American company here in Cali. Not here in Cali, I'm in Arizona. First thing that comes in there is an installation guide showing you what parts it comes with, referencing everything that you need to see. Next box, and I've already opened this up and kind of gone through it, is your, I don't know, I'll call it an everything kit. Inside of this one is your media player and controller. It is the MRB3 media controller. You'll find all your cables and everything else that you need in there as well. And the system's meant to be basically plug and play. This is your amplifier and under dash plate for mounting. And then you'll find your mounting plates as well for mounting it in the machine. So that's what comes in this box. And then in this box, which is on the inside, you'll find your speaker pods. And this is the stage 1 kit. So it does not come with a sub. It comes with 2 speakers, your head unit, and your media player and all the mounting stuff that you need. But as you can see, it looks like it's pretty much plug and play. So, and also in here, you'll find additional brackets for mounting your speakers. And I believe that's everything from the box. It looks like it is. So I'm gonna get this spread out on the table and kind of make things easier to work with, and then I'll get started on this thing. As I mentioned in the beginning, this is not gonna be an exhaustive install video, but I am gonna review it and tell you how it sounds compared to other sound bars that I've heard and other similarly priced systems. This system ran $614 shipped for the plug and play kit. So after I'm getting done with the install, I'll do a review on the sound, kind of show you how it sounds the best I can through YouTube, and we'll go from there. So let's get started. Okay, so here's what comes with the kit. As you can see, you have just about everything that you need. All the parts, obviously. Also comes with zip ties, hardware. Already has blue Loctite on it. Comes with wired connectors, the speakers, mounting brackets. Should be everything you need to get it done. Quick pause on the time lapse here. One thing that's annoying, it just says to attach these brackets onto the speaker. It doesn't say which side, the flat or the angle side, attaches to here. I attached the flat side, or I attached the angled side, and it looks like I attached it wrong. So now I have to remove it on both, reattach it on the right side, and then put it back in. So just be aware of that when you're putting it together, to put the flatter side or the 90-degree angle side on this piece right here, and the less than 90 on the other side. Back to the time lapse. All right, getting the speakers in took a little bit of finesse, but they're in, and it's time to move on to the next step. Well, everything's hooked up. What is it? Hour and 40 minutes later, not too bad. Turn the key on and see what happens. Nothing. Let's see what we did wrong here. Well, sometimes you get excited and you forget to undo the battery cable before you go. So, blew a fuse, accessory fuse, it's all good. Let's see now. Lighten up. It's got radio. All right, looks like we're all connected. Let me see if I can play some no copyright music. I'll get banned. Not too bad, actually. So I'll give you my review in a bit. I'm going to take it for a spin once I get this thing put back together. Then I'll kind of give you my first thoughts on how it sounds. I'll probably go cruise some trails this evening and get some samples there and wrap up my final thoughts. All right, I'm going to take it for a spin, and I have this little microphone attached to me. So hopefully you'll get an idea of how it sounds while you're cruising down the road. I'm going to record the sound on my phone, and I got the Osmo hooked up to record the trip. So hopefully you'll be able to get an idea of how it sounds while you're traveling down the road. Okay, so here are my final thoughts and impressions on the SSV MRB3 Stage 1 kit for the Polaris Ranger XP1000. So overall installation process was pretty quick and simple. There were a few little things in there that I mentioned in the video that were a little bit of a pain, but overall, I mean, by myself, I did it in about an hour and 40 minutes. So pretty quick installation, good instructions. Installation process was great. As far as sound goes, first things first, there is no subwoofer involved with this system, so don't expect a ton of low end. With that said, it does great. I felt like the system sounded as good or better than most of the soundbars that I've heard. My buddy Dustin has the MB Court 6-speaker soundbar from Polaris, and I would say this is as good or better than that system. The big difference being you can add a subwoofer or other speakers to this system to upgrade it down the line if you'd like to. As far as sound goes, I would say the system does really well. It looks like a factory system. It sounds like a factory system. Overall, it's a great system. So that's it for the stereo system install on this Polaris Ranger 1000 XP. Look out for more videos coming soon of additional upgrades that we'll be doing to this machine. Until then, ride safe, pack out what you pack in, and we'll see you next time.